Updating your email address on Hopper is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the app's home screen. Step 3. Select email settings. Look for the option labeled Email or Account Information. Tap on it to access your current email address settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button and tap it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated in your Hopper account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Hopper's customer support for assistance.